This tutorial is going to show you how to add an image to your Google slide, and there's a few ways to do that. The first way I'm going to show you is all within Google Slides. So you're going to click on Insert on the top menu, and then you're going to choose Image. It gives you some options. You can upload it from your computer if it's an image you've already saved. A lot of times that'll be personal pictures. You can upload it from your Google Drive or from your photos if you have a link to the image, or if you were introducing like a screenshot of yourself, like using your webcam, you would use camera. I'm going to select Search the Web though, and I'm going to put the person that I'm researching here and then push enter, and you can see it generates a whole bunch of pictures of this person. So I can click on the picture that I want to use and then choose insert down at the bottom. And now here is my picture. One of the things that's difficult about this is that it doesn't necessarily allow you to cite the image, which is something that's really important when we're thinking about showing our work and respecting intellectual property. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this picture, which I'm going to do by selecting it and clicking delete. And then I'm going to go over to Google, and I'm going to just Google Malala's name again, and then I'm going to select images, and I can choose from any of these images of Malala that I might want to use. I'm going to use this one. And what I can do is I can either save it to my computer, or I can easily click it and drag it over to my presentation. So I'm still holding down on my trackpad and I'm just using my finger to scoot the image over, and I'm going to let it go on my slide. Google says I'm creating the image, and here it is. And what that allows me to also do is I can click on the link and grab the source that I got it from, and then also add that source in a very small text box. You don't need it to be very big, and you can just put it right there. You can even, this is an 11-point font, you could even take it down to 9 so that your citation of your image is there. I do also want to show you one more trick. If I wanted to put this image inside of a shape, which we already know how to add a shape, but if I wanted to put this image inside of a shape, I would click right here on this crop, on the arrow next to crop, where it says mask image, and I can choose the shape that I want to put Malala in. So for example, if I wanted to put her in a heart, because I think Malala is super dope, I can do that. All of the same things apply, so I can also change the border weight of that heart, and that's called masking an image when you put it inside of a shape. If I decide that I don't want to do that, I want to use it like this, but I want the call out to maybe be in front, I can click on the call out, or I can click on the picture, and I'm going to choose arrange and order, and I'm going to send this all the way to the back so that now my call out's in front. I can grab my little tail here and make it look like Malala is saying something. And that's how you add an image and cite it in Google Slides.